Look, everyone's drowning in data right now, but barely anyone's actually using it to build something real. Founders, investors, professionals, there's this massive frustration eating away at you because you know that more data should mean better decisions, smarter moves, and bigger impact. But instead, what do you get? Confusion, noise, endless debates, and solutions that never quite land. It feels like you're throwing money and brainpower into this black box called AI, hoping it spits out something concrete. But often it just gives you illusions, fancy visuals, and empty promises. The truth is, that's exactly the trap with generative models as they're sold today. They don't create reality. Mostly, they remix what's already there. They mimic patterns, but they don't understand context. So when you try to use them to build your next product, to forecast markets, or to revolutionize your industry, you hit a wall. That wall is reality. The raw, messy, unpredictable world that doesn't care about algorithms or your fancy tech stack, and you feel stuck, angry. Because here you are, trying to push the boundaries, and these models are just spinning their wheels, filling the space with plausible noise. But here's the shift you need to make, starting now. Stop expecting generative models to just figure it out for you. You need to flip the script hard. These tools don't invent reality from nothing. They build on top of reality you provide, step by step, layer by layer. The real power comes when you control the input, the framework, the objectives, and bring your deep domain knowledge to make the AI work for you, not the other way around. The models themselves, they're like clay in your hands, not magic wands. So here's what to do, no fluff. First, own your data like it's your most valuable asset, because it is. This means clearing the junk, verifying sources relentlessly, and structuring it so that it's coherent and actionable. Garbage in, garbage out, no surprise there. Next, don't treat generative AI as a replacement for critical thinking. Use it as a partner, a force multiplier that can run massive hypothesis testing, surface hidden patterns, or help you prototype ideas at blazing speed. But always validate its outputs with real-world signals. Be brutal here. If a generated reality doesn't pass the market test, it's just noise. And here's the hardest part. Build a system where feedback cycles are brutally fast. Literally break down your projects into micro steps that AI can help with, but only mark them as successful when grounded in reality. Build seamless loops where humans catch what the models miss and refine the direction constantly. This kind of loop is where you validate, improve, and generate real innovation. No shortcuts, no hype, just relentless iteration. Also, stop believing that generative models alone will replace human expertise. They are tools amplifying the rare individuals who understand the real world deeply, the founders, operators, and investors who see beyond the surface. Your unique insight, your experience, your gut combined with smart AI tools, that combination is where the future is being made. Invest in building teams that can tug the AI's leash instead of being pulled along. Teach your people how to break down problems into data and feedback loops that AI can work with. Finally, reject the comfort of canned answers. The market, technology, and society don't move in nice lines. You want generative AI to help you rewrite reality? You've got to be ready to wrestle with the chaos every day and push back harder than ever before. Demand precision, demand speed, and demand alignment from these systems. Don't let them drift into echo chambers of their own training data. Your job, not theirs, is to ground their creations in what actually works, not what looks good on a slide deck. Get rid of illusions. Build from facts. Use AI like a scalpel, not a hammer. Really dive into your data, own your metrics, create your feedback loops, and build a dance between human intuition and machine speed that can't be broken. If this feels like a brutal, unglamorous grind, good. That's the path to change. Because real generative AI power won't come from magic. It'll come from relentless, ruthless craftsmanship combined with your unique human edge. Own this. Make your systems real. Stop chasing shadows and start building realities that matter. Your future depends on it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the featured link to discover more.